Hi guys, welcome to my second ever unboxing video. This is a watch from Ziiiro, Z-I-I-R-O. Quick shout out to them for sending this watch over to me for a quick review as well as for photo shoots on Instagram. Actually, you can follow me at watchesinnature. That's where you can get a lot more nicer pictures of the watches that I have. I post there every day, so let's go on. As you can see straight away, it is a very special looking watch. Let's see what comes in the package. A thank you card, as well as an instruction manual that I might have to use later, I'm not sure. On to the watch. You can see clearly now that the face is special. It's a quartz watch, but I have nothing against quartz, and I'm really intrigued at this design. When they approached me, I said yes, let's see what they have. Let's get the tags out. The standard Milanese strap. Get the plastics out. Oops, a lot harder than I thought. Okay, first glance, it definitely looks really nice. Stainless steel. I will give more details during when I review it later, but there you go. At this point, I actually don't know where's up and where's down, but a quick one, the inside design here shows the hour and the outside shows the minute. So now it's approximately 4:05. Looks pretty good. 40 millimeters with a nice tag. Company design on the buckle. Yeah, that's all for now. Very quick, very simple unboxing. Does look pretty good. Nice simple case back with the Ziiiro logo. Website. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next vid.